Hi, it's Chris from Duffy Floors. We're here on a project in Medford, and we're trying to save this old pine floor. This pine floor here was underneath about 5 layers of linoleum, and as you can see here, we got it all pulled up, all the linoleums, and we're left with this felt back. Sometimes this will save the floor from having any damage. Other times it isn't. Sometimes we've got water damage, which is what we have over here. So we'll probably be replacing these boards. And then right here, we're working on pulling this up. There was a rear entry and a pantry in here at one time or another, so there were wall voids. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this all up and we're going to put new, reclaimed, old stock back in here to continue this floor on. So I'll be checking back in. We'll see how the progress goes. This is Chris from Duffy Floors. If you need your old floors redone, if you've got patching to do, or you want to save that floor underneath kitchen linoleum, give us a call at 781-395-3418.